Just hours after filing response to the Texas Supreme Court, Representative Gene Wu had dire words at a press conference.
If our voices no longer matter, if what we say no longer matters, then there is no democracy left.
This is the response filed by Texas House Democratic Caucus Chair Wu to Governor Greg Abbott's legal action seeking to expel him from his House seat. One of Wu's responses is that the Texas Supreme Court doesn't have jurisdiction over legislators.
I think it was quite clear from the outset that the governor's lawsuit was filed in the wrong forum and that the Supreme Court lacked jurisdiction.
David Fkin is a constitutional law expert at the University of Houston. I talked to him just minutes after receiving Wu's filing. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton also filed legal action this afternoon, also saying it's his job to file lawsuits. That writ is seeking to expel 13 representatives from the House.
The Attorney General may well be right about that, but it doesn't change the fact that neither of them is entitled to bring this action before the Supreme Court, and the action is fundamentally without merit.
In his response to Abbott, Wu also argues Governor Abbott provided disputed facts which the court can't determine, that Wu has a right to a jury trial which can't happen in the Supreme Court, and if he stands trial, there needs to be evidence, and the governor didn't provide any.
If the Supreme Court says yes to the ideas behind these lawsuits, what does that mean?
I would first highlight that I have no reason to expect that they will say that. It would be a complete about-face from the view that they took just 4 years ago. If the Supreme Court were to say that, it would be a pretty shocking upheaval in how we understand the separation of powers.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.